Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to check the configuration of any PCs. For example, I'm using my laptop here. So how to check the configuration of this laptop and check all the details about this laptop starting from hardware to software by a simple command. So let us see how to do that. So for that, it's very easy. You have to simply press Window R and you'll get this run command here. So or else you can simply go here and press run, and if you click here again you will find this dialog box that is run, and here you simply have to type in cmd for command prompt and press ok or enter. So once you do that, you'll be landing in this page, that is the command prompt page. So here what you need to do is simply type a command, that is ms info 32. Once again I say you ms info 32 and press enter. So once you press enter, this screen will come up. I'm maximizing it. You can see everything will be shown here, like OS name, MS Windows version, system name, everything will be shown over here. So you can see your memory card also, how much RAM is available in your laptop, your physical memory, available physical memory, all these things will be available, your time zone. Here you can see this is the system summary, and here you can go for hardware resources as well. For example, if I press on memory, all these things will come up. If I go for components, sound device, your manufacturer, your driver, all these things will be your storage, drives, disk, all these things will be shown up. Your software environment, you can see you can find out all the details of your each and every configuration of your PC from this command by typing in this command. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting and very informative as well. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such literally technical videos to make your digital life easier. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.